Hey guys, welcome to Data Shastra Tech Bytes episode number 1. So what is Snowflake? Snowflake is a cloud data warehouse and a data lake. What? A data warehouse? Why we need another data warehouse when we already have Oracle, Teradata, etc. serving our needs from last few decades? To get answer for this question, we should know little bit about the architecture of Snowflake. In traditional on premise data warehouses, generally data storage and data processing would be confined to one single layer. Due to this, scaling up such systems will be very costly. Whereas Snowflake architecture was designed foundationally to take advantage of the cloud. It takes a very innovative approach by separating data storage and data processing. Now, this separation allows users of the Snowflake to scale up or scale down storage or data processing power of the data warehouse independently. Now, because of this flexibility, you can easily accommodate fluctuating demands like sudden increase or decrease in data storage or data processing needs of your application, and this in turn going to save a lot of money for your company. In addition to this, Snowflake offers several other innovative features that takes this product to a whole new level. And they are number 1, Snowflake doesn't need a DBA. Yes, you heard it correctly. Snowflake takes care of all the performance tuning internally. In addition to that, you don't have to worry about the maintenance activities like software patching, hardware upgrades, etc. Everything is going to be fully managed by Snowflake itself. And the second one is multi-cloud. Snowflake is available on AWS, Microsoft Azure, and Google Cloud Platform. And the beauty is it retains the same user experience across these three clouds. So it is up to you where exactly you want to deploy it. So third one is pricing. Snowflake pricing model is really fine tuned. Its billing model is pay per use and on a per second basis. So the more you use, the more you pay, and the less you use, the less you pay. And the fourth point is sharing and collaboration. Snowflake lets you share your data with your end users without asking you to create the duplicate copies of the same data. This will not only minimize the amount you pay for the data storage but also reduce the risk of data exposure. So these distinct advantages are the primary reason behind all the buzz around Snowflake we are observing recently. So that's it for today's episode, guys. For more interesting videos, keep watching my channel Data Shastra. This is Suman Kumar signing off.